Welcome back to my channel. It's Chidima Favor. Today we are making this waistcoat. Yeah, we're making this beautiful waistcoat. Alright, pay detailed attention. Our shoulder line has been drawn out. Here I'm taking 1.5 inch or 2 inches for your button lap, okay? For the button. Remember, it's going to have button at the back. Okay, after that I'm taking the neck width of 3 inches and the shoulder I'm working with is 8. You can add half inches sewing allowance. Okay, all right. Shoulder slope, which is 1 inch, and I'm drawing it to the neckline. If you're watching from my Facebook, please follow our channels for more tips. If you're watching on YouTube, please subscribe. Alright, here I'm taking my chest line, which is 7.5. From there I'm taking my bust point measurement. I'm taking my half length or waistline, depending on what you call it. Okay, I'm going to mark a line across all the points we have. And our chest line, we're drawing that out also. I just went ahead to label it, that's all. Here I'm taking my shoulder measurement in order for us to be able to create our armhole. Okay, please, if you notice any sound at the background, I'm so sorry for that, just ignore. All right, divide what you have on your armhole, divide what you have and get the midpoint. Step out by half an inch. Don't mind my tape, just step out by half an inch. So basically I'm drawing a basic bodice pattern first. If you've been following my channels, you should know how to do that by now. I'm taking the quarter of my bust in order for us to create our armhole for this jacket. Okay, it's pretty easy to do, just pay detailed attention. I'm taking my bust point to bust point, that's nipple to nipple measurement. All right, that's what I did here. And at the both side I'm taking half an inch and I'm connecting it to my bust point. Half an inch, okay, don't forget. And I'll connect it to my bust point. Okay, here is the dart, so I'm just marking it out. All right, so I'm taking my side dart. How do you get your side dart? That's another question. And I'm drawing down to my bust point. How to get your side dart is this the difference or the distance between your front half length and your back half length. Or if you don't know how to do that, for the beginners, just use 1.5. It's fine. Okay, I'm going to take all my body measurements. The bust I'm working with and the hip I'm working with. I just went ahead to take all the measurements and I'm going to connect it. But first, before I do that, coming to my half length, I don't want the jacket to stop on my half length, so I'm coming down by 3 inches. But I advise 3 inches to 4 inches is okay, depending. If you don't want your body to show, maybe while sitting down, 3 inches to 4 inches is okay. All right, so what I have there on my waist, I'm going to bring it down, then connect all the points together. Coming to the center line, I'm going to go in by 3 inches. You know, this at the front is a bit curvy, it's not straight. Then I'm stepping down by 4 inches. Okay, I went in from that line to 3 inches. Okay, then then I step down by 4 inches. So from this point I'm going to draw a line to meet the 4, okay, and then I will draw to meet the other end. If you don't understand, just look at what we are doing. Okay, for the beginners, pay attention. You can do it. Believe in yourself. If you're watching up to this moment, please subscribe. Please subscribe. It's totally free. All right, at this end I don't want it to be straight. I want it to be a bit curvy, so I just stepped out by about half an inch and I draw the curve line, okay, because I don't want that side to be straight. Then I'm going to draw the line down to this 4, okay, the 4 we stepped down with. I hope I'm able to explain this the way you understand. Just pay detailed attention, you will understand, I promise you. Okay, for this place, you know we have a button here and we can't leave it like this. If we leave it like this, we're going to have a shortage. I'm just drawing the line out so you see it. So I'm going to draw a line there to go and meet the same 4 inch we stepped down with, so that that area will not be shorting. We will not have any shortage when it comes to our button. So the first lines here are not working. All right, now I'm going to return the dart we already have here. Remember, we've not returned the dart, which is 1 inch. I'm going to return it. Please don't always forget to return your darts. I'm trying as much as possible to make my videos easy for the beginners who are following my Facebook channel and my YouTube channel, in order for them to be able to recreate things on their own. Alright, here I extended the line. Remember that down part, I don't want it to be curved, but what I forgot to do in this video was for us to extend that line, which we're doing later. So from this place I'm pointing, I'm connecting using a curve ruler to connect to the middle of my armhole. Remember, this jacket is like a princess dart, okay, it's like a princess dart, so I just connected it there. Now coming to the middle of the armhole, I'm going to step out by 1 inch. I'm just going to step out by 1 inch. Then from the middle of my bust point, I will connect with a curve. Remember, we are trying to create a princess bustier like curve, okay, here. All right, after that I'm going to step up that 1 inch we came down with, so we're not going to have any shortage. We'll just take that 1 inch, and after that we're going to recreate another armhole. Yes, another armhole. Just pay detailed attention. It's pretty easy. Don't allow anything confuse you. Just pay detailed attention to it and you will get it. All right, here we're going to draw our lines back, drawing the lines. Don't worry about the shortage we have there. We are going to handle it. So these lines are no longer working. All right, let's come to our neck. The depth of my neck, I want to use 9.5. 9.5 is okay. If you want to put on singlet inside, you can do more, but 9.5 is okay. I just use 9.5. All right, you can use less, you can use more. You know, we're going to have a button here and we don't need any shortage, so we are going to redraw that neckline for us not to have any form of shortage. Okay, so we just drew it like this, going to meet our button lap. So this place is going to be cut out. Okay, just cut it out. Now we need to tighten the shoulder area, so that when putting this clothes on, you know, your bra hand won't be showing. So what you have on your neck area, divide it into 2. You see the way I measure this? Exactly what you have on your neck area, divide it into 2, mark out the midpoint, okay, then connect it to the first that leg you have on your armhole. Okay, the first leg that you have on your armhole, just connect it. Look at what I'm doing. Okay, now from that leg that we are going to step down by half an inch. Here we are trying to tighten that neck area, that shoulder armhole neck area, so that your bra won't be showing. Okay, so just tighten it, come down by half an inch. Okay, that's another chest dart. That's what we call chest dart. So I'm going to open this up. Open this up. Don't cut it totally. Okay, just open it up. Use your gum or your tape to hold it in place. Okay, you don't want to put on your clothes and your important part of your body is showing. Okay, that's basically it. It's not like it's difficult. Okay, it's not difficult. It's something you can do once you put your mind to it. Please, another thing I forgot was I forgot to extend my dart legs, and I'm going to do that now. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry that it escaped my mind, but thank God I did not cut it out. So we're going to extend this area I'm touching now. There's nothing serious though, just your nipple to nipple measurements. Your nipple to nipple measurements, you can see it. I'm just taking it. Your nipple to nipple measurements. Remember that your measurement is not going to start from your bottom allowance, so it's going to start from your main body's allowance. Just extend it to the length, the actual length of the jacket. Okay, see what I did? Don't mind me, I was a bit distracted by the girls, my girls. Okay, I'm not working alone, I have some girls in the shop, so did that. I'm just extending it. There's nothing serious, just extend it so that you can cut out the materials. Okay, so you can cut them out pieces for your princess bustier. So there was nothing serious to it, so I'm so sorry. Okay, then I'll continue with my cutting. Now on this area, remember you noticed I moved my hand a bit. Please, I'm going to put an arrow to that so you understand what I'm talking about. Here I caused the bust that is your side dart, and I used a gum to hold it in place. Now we have a shortage here, so let's cover the shortage. Just get a little paper, use your ruler, connect the line here and here. Just connect the lines together, nothing serious. I wanted to do this separate so that our new learners will understand what we did. Okay, I don't need them to be confused. Okay, just use making sure that the point is meeting with the extra paper you added. Okay, just to close that shortage. You've seen it. I'm just using gum to hold this area very well. That's basically that. And don't forget to remove all the darts we already mark out. On that bust area, remove the darts. On this neck area, we had a little shortage, but here I don't want my v-neck to be just curved straight. I want it to have a little curve. You understand? A little curve. I don't want it to be just straight. I want it to have a little curve. So you see the way I curved it in? That was just what I did. So I cut it out. Okay, that's just it. Basically it. For the back, it's just a basic bodice pattern, nothing serious. You can look at it, just basic body pattern. We already know how to do that very well on the channel. So if you want the back to be torn into two, you can go ahead and tear yours into two, but I did not tear. Now for the front, I'm using the same material for the lining, and for the clothes for the front, but for the back I'm using a black lining. Okay, so let's go ahead and join this together. Joining it is not a problem. Okay, just go ahead and sew all the darts, iron it down. Okay, I've done that for all of them. Just sew it and iron it down. For the front part, that's for the front lining, I used an interface. Please use an interface so you can give the cloth a structure. Okay, use an interface for the lining of the clothes. Then go ahead and join on your shoulder, and the same thing I'll do at the back. Just join all the darts, then go ahead, iron it very well. Join at the shoulder, iron also. In this work, you just have to iron all through. Okay, you must iron to get a very neat work ironing. So here I did right side facing right side, and I'm joining at the armhole. Sorry, don't mind my voice. I don't want this video to be too long. Okay, then you sew round. Okay, sew round, cover the armhole areas, just leave only the side stitches, sew round. Okay, you can see how it's looking. It came out really nice. I just like the way it's looking already. Now I'm going to flip to sew the front part. You can see the back side stitch and the front side stitch meets the same place. Just flip it this way and sew. All right, I'm happy with the outcome. So I've sewn everywhere, leaving only the side, okay, because that's where I'm going, that's where I used to turn it, and that's where I'm going to use to sew it. This for the button. Okay, go ahead and join everything. Okay, this is the outcome. Thank you so much for watching. I'm very grateful. Thank you for trusting us. If you are watching till this moment on Facebook, follow us. On YouTube, subscribe, give this video a thumbs up if it's in any way helpful. Don't forget to comment and share. I love you. Bye.